Hello, and welcome to an overview of CCDMS construction and our plan for the construction of Colby College Athletic Complex located in Waterville, Maine. I am Brandon Dubuck, the project manager for CCDMS, and would like to give you an overview of who we are and our approach to building this complex. As you can see from this 3D model, this will include a gymnasium, a field house, ice rink, aquatics area, and a squash court. I'd like to first introduce our company and the team I've been working for the bid for this project. CCDMS was founded 2 weeks ago and is a small company with 5 employees. We dedicate our time fully to one job at a time, as to be as knowledgeable about that specific project as we can be. Despite being a new company, we have all the backgrounds and schooling in construction industry. I myself am a senior student in construction engineering. I have a 2-year degree in architecture and civil engineering, and I've worked with an engineering firm that specialized in designs for railroad bridges, both new and repair plans.
Hello, I'm Shannon Skelton, the safety coordinator. For the logistics plan, our dumpster locations are in dark blue. The crew parking is in green. Our temporary 6-foot-high construction fence is red. Our construction signs are pastel cyan. Construction trailers are orange. The toilets are blue-violet. Equipment parking is in black. Our muster points are in violet. Material delivery and proposed laydown area is light blue cyan. Today, I just wanted to cover this COVID protocol over safety plan. At CCDMS construction, we followed the guidelines that have been put in place by Governor Janet Mills and the CDC. Face masks are to be worn when within 6 feet of someone else. In the trailers, if there are anyone or others close by, in a car with another person, or when operating machinery that another worker will be used right away after the previous worker is done. If a worker has been in contact with someone who has tested positive themselves, or feels that there is a chance that they might have been exposed, they will be required to isolate themselves for 14 days. If tools or machinery will be shared throughout their workday, they will be disinfected throughout the day. Frequently touched surfaces will also be disinfected daily. Employees will be encouraged to use hand sanitizer with at least 60% alcohol throughout the day. Employees are also required to wash their hands with soap and water for 20 seconds after using the bathroom, before and after eating food, touching a frequently touched surface or item, and touching their face.
Hi, my name is Jacob Moore. I'm a project engineer here at CCDMS. Now, I was part of the team that was estimating the cost of labor and equipment. Now our team estimates that the cost of the wages for our project executive, senior project manager, assistant project manager, project engineers, our BIM manager, our safety manager, our superintendents and assistant superintendents to cost approximately $8,349,550. Our team also estimates the cost of our office trailer, dumpsters, and a lull, which we have shown in the bottom right-hand corner of our screen, which is another type of forklift, as well as portable toilets, to cost approximately $5,400.
Hello, I'm Nicole Cortez. I'm a project engineer here at CCDMS, and I'd like to tell you about the subcontractors we've chosen for this project and our process for selecting them. On the left here, we have the bids that each of these subs has put in, and on the right, a bit of an explanation that I'd like to elaborate on as to why we chose these subs. So our commitment to safety and quality doesn't stop with us. CCDMS Construction only selects subcontractors who are fully insured, meet all pre-qualification criteria, and have exemplary industry safety, quality, and social responsibility ratings. Why do we do this? First and foremost, we value the people we work with. Every project we or any other contractor out there work on is the product of the time and labor of tens, if not hundreds of people from a myriad of trades. And each and every one of those people deserves a safe, secure workplace that supports them and everything they do. And just as important, we want everything we build to be something you can have confidence and pride in. When you choose CCD construction, you're choosing security and reliability now and for as long as your project will serve. Now, emphasizing quality and safety as we do means we won't always come in with the lowest bid, but investing in good construction now will save you from scores of unexpected costs down the line. And I have personal experience with this. I went to Enterprise High School in Enterprise, Alabama, and for 3 out of the 4 years I went to that school, it was half school, half construction site. Because just 6 years after they cut the ribbon on that $93 million building, they found out the facade was starting to fall off. And these were huge, heavy cast stones. I remember they closed down the whole courtyard and had to put fences up 10, 15 feet out from the building to make sure no one could get close enough to get hurt by one. It turns out the entire repair and reconstruction process, including settling a 2-year lawsuit between the school and the construction firm, took just over 5 years, almost as long as the building had been open when they first discovered these problems. Skimping on quality now can mean a headache and a hole in your pocket later on. That's why we always make sure to do it once and do it right. At the end of the day, we want everyone on this project to come home safe, and we want you to have a building you'll be glad to put your name on. A job well done pays for itself in spades.
Now, continuing off of what Nicole just said, safety is one of our #1 priorities. Approximately 1.7% of construction workers suffer injuries each year, according to the United States Bureau of Labor Statistics. Now, we have a safety plan in place, which includes topics such as our COVID-19 protocol, as Shannon mentioned, and ensuring your workers wear proper PPE, along with having emergency plans just in case something comes up, along with many other different topics. We also have a site erosion control in place. It is our responsibility as a construction company to prevent soil from running off into local streams and other bodies of water. Now, on a job site, if we aren't careful, we can cause construction materials, pesticides, and soil to run off into local waterways, which can harm wildlife as well as harm other properties in the area. Now, we are also going to be protecting the wooded buffers and wetlands in place, leaving them undisturbed. And wooded buffers also help with site erosion control, which they slow down the water runoff that will be going to the waterways. And another important topic on our job site here at the Athletic Center is the demolition of the athletic fields at the proposed location of the new athletic complex. And also our construction schedule, which we will be going into shortly.
I'm Isaiah Carter. I'm a project engineer for CCDMS Construction. Each and every phase of the construction process is important to us. Because of its significance, we take time to prepare a thought-out schedule for the future of the project. For starters, we at CCDMS Construction take pride in our punctuality, and we will ensure that the Athletic Center project will be started by August 1st of 2021. Not only that, but as per the wishes of the owner, we guarantee the facility to be open for campus use on June 12th, 2023. This, of course, means the certificate of occupancy is necessary. CCDMS is well prepared for this as well, and our current schedule predicts that it will be issued by May 22nd of 2023, long before the due date of June 12th. We appreciate your time and the consideration for our bid proposal, and we look forward to the opportunity to work for you. Thank you.